In this video today, I'll be showing you how to install the AMP LED step light. The step light ships with installation instructions, 25 feet of lead cable, and an Allen wrench for opening the fixture. The best feature of the step light is the flat integrated LED, which essentially eliminates the need for labor-intensive installation methods that are found in most step lights. The AMP step light simply fastens directly to a wood or a masonry step. The AMP step light also has a removable backplate on the back side of the fixture. Now, if you're wanting to conceal the wire and not running on external surface, you want to remove this backplate and put it inside your wood or masonry, which is how we're going to install this fixture today. To begin, I'll first mark the center and bottom point of where the fixture is going to sit. Now, this is where I'm going to drill a hole for the cable to slide into, and I'm going to use a 3/8 inch bit for this. Now slip the end of the fixture lead wire in the hole and pull it through until you remove the slack between the fixture and the step. Next, adjust the fixture to the correct position and level it so it can be fastened with 4 screws. The final steps of this installation will be to simply replace the faceplate onto the step light base and connect your wires to the power source. The AMP step light is a great way to effectively and beautifully illuminate the stairs and steps around your property. If you have any further questions about the AMP step light, or would simply like to use them on one of your next lighting installations, give us a call or visit us at amplighting.com.